Welcome to the Etex Group of Companies, a global manufacturer of construction materials here in the UK and Ireland. You'll recognise some well-known brands. Three have come together to create a new entity called Etex Building Performance, linking building components, drywall, external sheathing, passive fire protection, and steel frame systems. A world's first, with 3 times the technical know-how, 3 times the innovation, and 3 times the opportunities for new system solutions, plus ideas to reduce wastage, improve manual handling, and help deliver projects which are sustainable and address lifetime cost. Best of all, it means new specifications. Take this student accommodation project in Plymouth. The challenge on this point-loaded scheme was to provide 120 minutes of fire protection on a wall lining no thicker than 30 millimeters. The usual solution would have been 3 layers of Siniat fireboard. Instead, we tested and combined Siniat's Megadeco with Promat's Promatec 250, allowing us to meet the 120-minute requirement on a wall lining no thicker than 30 millimeters, the same width as a regular chocolate bar, meaning the extra space can be used to incorporate more rooms into the design of the building. A new, slimline, fully certified and warranted system. Problem solved. Whilst we're on the subject, say goodbye to collateral warranties for through-wall systems. We'll guarantee the performance from inside and out. Yes, that's a single supplier warranty covering the build-up of components for you. We have other unique solutions, from the building envelope to internal linings, partitions and penetrations. One supplier solving complex issues of passive fire protection, acoustics, airtightness and structural strength. In other words, the building performance, providing security and peace of mind to specifiers, main contractors and clients. Etex Building Performance, the leading expert in dry construction.